Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to set up playlists to make it easier for our visitors or our customers or prospects to consume our content. And what we can do is we can organize our channel so that all of the same video or all of a category of video will be in one place for our visitors to be able to see as well as to be able to watch. And to set up your playlist, what you are going to do from your channel menu is you're going to go to the playlist area and you're going to see that currently we have no playlist. So we're going to start the process by clicking New Playlist. And we're going to give our playlist a title. So you want to think about what makes all of the videos that you want to group together similar. Now in this particular case, we're going to write in March 2010. And once we've clicked Create Playlist, we're going to be brought to a screen that looks like this. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add the videos to the actual playlist. So let's go to the Add Videos button. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our YouTube videos and we're going to select the videos that we want to be in this particular playlist. Now you'll notice that there are some other videos that have been uploaded to the channel since we have started the course. So we're going to actually click all of the ones that are for March 2010. And we're going to make them available. And we can hold the Control key down in order to get all of the videos that we want inside of this one playlist. Once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Videos. Now we actually have all of the videos for March 2010 inside of our playlist. Now we can actually set this up so that when our viewer actually watches the playlist, we can have them to see the video that we want them to see first. So in some cases, they're going to see the playlist and they're going to play all the videos. However, we want to make sure that the order is the one that we want them to actually see. And in order to change the order, we can actually go and hover over any one of the videos and we can actually change the order. So in other words, we can take this one and move it to the top. We can take this one and move it to the bottom. And we can continue to move the videos so that they are configured in the way that we actually want them. Now, once we do that, what we can do is we can go to the playlist settings. And what we can do is we can actually set it up so that people will see them according to when they were added, when they were published, or even what is the most popular. We can also, inside of the playlist settings, we can set it up so that there are certain rules for videos to be added to the playlist. Now, this is a bit of an advanced feature, but you can actually set up rules so that when certain videos are added, they get added to the playlist in a certain way. You also have a collaborate button, and so that other people can actually add videos to this particular playlist. Now in this particular case, what we're going to do is we're just going to make sure that this is manually added. We're going to say that we want all new videos to be added to the top of the playlist. Now another thing that we can do is we can actually set this playlist up so that it is an official series. And what that means is that this is going to be a playlist that is only going to be for the purposes that we set them for. So in other words, we're not going to have these videos in other playlists. They're only going to be in this playlist, and then YouTube will actually make it easier for people to find this playlist. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click this button to set this official series as a playlist, and we're going to click Save. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually go into the playlist, and then we're going to add in our description. And we can do that by going to this edit pencil, and then we can write in our description. And once we've done that, we can actually then set up another playlist for different kinds of videos. So what we want to do is we can go back to the playlist button, and then we can actually create a new playlist. In this particular case, we're going to create the next playlist as April 2010. And now that we've written in our title, we're going to click Create. And now we have a new playlist. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing we did for the other playlist. We're going to select some videos to add to the playlist. We're going to select some of the ones that are already there. And remember, we can actually use the control button to select multiple videos for this playlist. We're going to click add videos. And then we are going to order the videos in the way that we want them. So we're going to move some to the top. We're going to move some to the bottom. And one other feature that this screen will allow us to do is to set one as the playlist thumbnail. So in other words, we can take any one of these videos that has an attractive feature or thumbnail, and we can actually set it as the thumbnail for the entire playlist. So we can actually take this link as the thumbnail or the viewing slide for the entire playlist. So once we have written in our description, and we're going to do that right now, we're going to click back outside of the box, and now our playlist is ready for April in 2010. So we have now created 2 playlists for our channel, and there are some new features that we can actually implement now that we have these 2 playlists, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.